Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be taking the topic of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. We will see that how the value changes for various ratios for specific angles. The angles which we are going to consider are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let us first see how the value for sin A proceeds. Sin A for 0 is 0, sin 30 it is half, sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. If you carefully observe these values, the values are increasing as you are going from 0 degree to 90 degree. Now see the pattern for cos. The values, pay attention and see that how the value changes. Cos A is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is half and cos 90 is 0. If you see carefully, there is a clear pattern, a reverse pattern of the values of sine for the various angles. If you see, for the sin A, the values are increasing from 0 to 1 and for cos A, they are decreasing from 1 to 0. Value for sin 45 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. For both sin and cos, the value of 45 for 45 degree is equal. A very important point to note down. And if it is equal, we know that tan A is sin A upon cos A. So automatically, you can write tan A will for 45 degree will be 1. Let us see the other values for tan A. Tan A will be, now we know tan A is sin A upon cos A, so 0 upon 1 which will be 0. Then this will come as, in the same manner it will come as 1 by root 3. This already we have discussed how it has come 1. This is root 3 and as 1 by 0 we know any number with the denominator 0, we write it as not defined. Next is cosec A. Cosec A is, again if you remember in our first lecture I had told you that these are the cosec, secant, cot are the inverse ratios. So cosec A, the value is not defined. Then cosec 30 is 2, 45 is root 2 and 60 is 2 root 3 and for 90 it is 1. Sec A, again the pattern will be reverse of cosec A. So here will be 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. And cot will be not defined for 0 degree, root 3 for 30 degree, 45 degree 1, 1 by root 3 for 60 degree and for 90 degree 0. So a small trick for you to remember, that sin A the value increases from 0 to 1, for cos the value decreases from 1 to 0 and if you see the pattern of sin A and cos A, the values are just in the reverse order for cos A. Similar is the case with cosec and sec. Whatever way the cosec A values proceed, the sec A values are just in the reverse order of the same. So you have to memorize these values and we will be solving problems using the values of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So take further, if we see, let us solve some examples. In our first question, as you can see on the screen, it is given in this problem that in a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Using this information, we have made a figure here, triangle ABC which is right angled at B because it is given to us that angle B is 90 degree. अब हमको दिया है AB 5 centimeter, so we will write here 5 centimeter और हमें दिया है angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find the remaining two sides जो कि है hypotenuse और base. How will we find this? If you see this, 30 degree is our angle, is our acute angle, and if I first find BC, what does the side AB and BC, which ratio does this make? You can refer to my first lecture or if you can revise your ratios, एंड आपके दिमाग में तुरंत आएगा कि विद द साइड्स ए बी एंड बी सी वी हैव द रेशियो tan, because ये है perpendicular and this is our perpendicular and this is our base. So let us solve this question. So we can write that tan 30 is equal to AB by BC. Tan 30 just now in that from the table which I had shown you in gives us the value of tan 30 as 1 by root 3 and AB is given to us as 5 centimeter. So I will substitute here 1 by root 3 which is equal to 5 divided by BC. Now solving this equation we get BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. So we get the value of BC which is our first requirement. The second one is we have to find AC. AC, if you see in the figure, is a hypotenuse, and considering the perpendicular and the hypotenuse, if you remember, this makes a ratio sine. If you memorize your ratios, sine 30 will be equal to AB by AC, and from the table हमको वैल्यू मिलता है sin 30 का हाफ. AB is given to us as 5 and AC we can easily find out. So AC will be equal to, if we calculate from this, AC will be equal to 5 into 2 which is equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. एक बहुत important tip है for the board exams, that in the end you should always write answer, highlight A and S, underline it and write your answer whatever they have asked. They have asked us to find BC and AC, तो हम अपने आंसर में लिखेंगे आंसर BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter and AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Without forgetting, please do write your answer separately, underline it, you get marks for it. If you don't write, you will at least lose half a mark for it. This is an important tip for writing your board papers. So this is your first example, a very simple one to make you explain how the values are for various angles, specific angles. Right now we are only learning about 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now we will take another example. अब हम करेंगे दूसरा example. हमको इस example में दिया है sin A minus B is equal to half, cos A plus B is equal to half, और हमें ये भी दिया है कि A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree और greater than 0. इसके साथ साथ ये भी दिया है एंगल A is greater than angle B, and what we have to find? We have to find angle A and angle B. This is a slightly different question, but it's a very commonly asked question in the board exam. अब हम इसे solve कैसे करेंगे? अगर हम हमारी table याद करें, sin half का value कहाँ मिलता है हमें? sin half का value मिलता है 30 degree के लिए. So we have been given sin A minus B is equal to half, और टेबल से हमें पता चलता है sin 30 is equal to half. तो क्लियरली अगर मैं ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट को कंपेयर करूँ तो मुझे मिलता है A minus B is equal to 30. इस स्टेटमेंट को हम नंबरिंग कर देंगे 1. इसी तरह जो हमें दूसरा दिया है, हमें दिया है cos A plus B is equal to half. अब हम अगर टेबल से वैल्यूज़ देखें तो cos 60 डिग्री जो है वो होता है हाफ, तो हमको यहाँ से मिल गया A plus B is equal to हाफ, और ये हो गया हमारा सेकेंड इक्वेशन. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को हम एलिमिनेशन मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. A minus B is equal to 30 और A plus B is equal to half, sorry A plus B is equal to 60. और हम इन दोनों को क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि B के ऑपोजिट साइंस है तो हम एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2 we get. Again from the board point of view, if you don't write these statements, adding equation 1 and 2 we get, you lose marks. So please write all the steps correctly, and all the we want all the teacher examiner wants all the steps. Don't miss out any step. Now if we add them, the sign doesn't change. A plus A is 2A. We know how to solve this. We have done this before. 60 plus 30 is 90. So A is equal to 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So we get angle A as 45 degree. Now substituting A equal to 45 degree in equation 1, we get A minus B is equal to 30. Here we will substitute A as 45 degree minus B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30 minus B is 30 minus 45, and therefore we get minus B is equal to minus 15. So we get from here B is equal to 50 degree. So like this we have calculated A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Then again the important tip, we will never forget to write our answer in the end. We will write highlighting A and S, and we will write our answer. Angle A is equal to 45 degree, comma, angle B is equal to 15 degree. Now the third example. Here if you read the question, it is sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Simple. We will see from the table what are the values for the various angles of the different ratios, and we will solve it. Sine 60, if you see from the table, it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is half and cos 60 is also half. So I have substituted the values. You have to memorize the values. You may take some time, but you have to memorize the values. There is no shortcut. Now if you solve them, the answer will be, next step, 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. We again solve it. It's a very simple fraction to add. 4 by 4, it gets cancelled and you get 1. This is a third type of example which you get regarding the values of various trigonometric ratios of specific angles. I hope you understand today's lecture. Any doubts, please comment. I will be very happy to clear them. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.